Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi, my name is Muhammad Harith Danial bin Hassan with metric number 163300. I am playing role as presenter, scriptwriter and also the editor. I'm here to present my assignment Z60 102. I am from School of Physics and currently studying in course Bachelor of Physics. In this assignment, I will explain about a fingerprint door lock. Without further ado, let's jump into it. Fingerprint door locks combine the convenience of keyless entry with the security biometrical authentication. Let's explore how electromagnetic principles enable the function of this advanced security system. Let's go. Fingerprint door locks are electronic locking systems that use a person's unique fingerprints to grant access. They have become increasingly popular due to their high level of security and convenience. This law employs advanced electromagnetism to ensure the accurate fingerprint recognition and reliable door locking mechanism. The fingerprint recognition process begins when the user places their fingerprint to the fingerprint sensor. The sensor is equipped with a small array of tiny capacitor or optical sensor that detect the range and value on the user fingerprint. The sensor generates the electrical signal in response to the ranges, capacitance or the optical reflection pattern. There are two main types of fingerprint sensor used in door lock. First one, capacitive, and second one, optical sensor. Capacitive sensor measure change in electrical capacitance caused by the range and value of the fingerprint. Optical sensor use light to capture the fingerprint image and analyze the range and value contrast. Once the fingerprint sensor generates the electrical and optical signal, it's sent to the microprocessor within the fingerprint door lock. The microprocessor processes the signal and compares it to the pre-stored fingerprint templates for the identification. This process involves the complex algorithm that analyze the unique feature of the fingerprint, such as ridge pattern and minute point. After successful fingerprint authentication, the electromagnetic door lock mechanism is activated. Electromagnetic door lock consists the electromagnet mount on the door frame and metal plate attached to the door. When the electromagnet is energized, it increases the magnetic field and attracts the metal plate, secure locking the door. Fingerprint door locks offer several advantages. Firstly, they provide a high level of security as a fingerprint are unique to each other and difficult to replicate. Secondly, they eliminate the need for physical key, reduce the risk of key loss and the authorized key duplication. Lastly, they offer the convenience, allow quick and easy accessment without the hassle of searching for the key or memorize the code. Fingerprint door locks have found application in various sectors, including residential building, commercial office, and government facilities. Furthermore, ongoing research aims to enhance their capabilities, such as integrating them with a smartphone system, improving accuracy and speed, and exploring multiple purposes. I think that's all from me. Thank you.